Hello everyone, welcome to my English speaking challenge. Today I want to share I didn't speak English properly and I don't have confidence because I feel talk with when I talk in front of camera I feel nervous and I didn't have so much vocabulary and sentence formation. My grammar is so poor when we have all the uh, words are clearly, but in my mind I try everything proper sentence, but when I speak I feel very much nervous. Even when I feel nervous I forgot all the things. So I speak English every day in front of the camera and that upload on the YouTube. That's improve my communication. I know it. I know it make mistakes every day, but I cannot afraid of them. Every mistake helps me to improve my communication. My message is don't wait for English perfection. Start speaking today and improve your communication with practicing daily. I know I will. If you are also struggling with English, come and practice with me. We will learn together, grow together, and make confident every day. Thank you for watching this video.